Alright, so here we have the example 3x minus 2. And we can see that the x-intercept is occurring somewhere between 0 and 1. It looks like it's closer to 1 right here. Okay, so what we know about the x-intercept is that that is when y is equal to 0. Okay, so we're talking about this point right here. So if you think about this equation, y equals 3x minus 2, and you substitute y to be 0, and we want to isolate x, here I would add 2 to both sides, and then divide by 3. Now I'll get that x is 2/3, right? So, which is pretty similar to what it looks like. It said it's closer to 1, between 0 and 1, closer to 1. So in general, if you have y equals mx plus b, and we're trying to find the x-intercept, we would have y equals 0. So we would have mx plus b, right? Because we have some slope and we have some intercept, and we're trying to isolate x. So we would subtract b, which is what we did here. We subtracted negative 2 and got 2. And then to get x, we will divide by m. Okay? So your variable that you're working with is called 0. And it's simply going to be negative b divided by m. Okay? And if you were, another way to do it would be negative 1 times b divided by m. Right? Because you're just putting the negative in front of the value, but actually JavaScript handles that. So it should work either way. Negative b over m or negative 1 times b over m.